Well, a number of clinical trials are underway right now, all designed to help coronavirus patients recover faster. One of those trials is about to begin at UCI Medical Center.
As NBC4's Vikki Vargas shows us, doctors hope the drug can make this deadly disease no more dangerous than a bad cold.
The developers of this drug say it's actually been around for years, that they initially used it to treat patients who had injuries to their lungs. Now they believe it can do even more. The drug will be tested on a total of 144 patients at various medical centers, including UC Irvine. Doctors say the goal is to keep patients from ending up in the emergency room or on a ventilator.
Patients with COVID-19 have very, very low oxygen levels, and we're hoping that this drug can have a beneficial effect on patients' lungs to improve their oxygenation.
According to doctors, COVID-19 attacks a specific cell in the lungs that transmits oxygen. This drug, called Zysamy, would protect the cell from infection.
And we also hope that we'll be able to help people who have lung disease, who have lung scarring because they survived a COVID infection, people who are today called long haulers.
The drug would be given through an inhaler like this one.
This is something that some hospitals use,
with the hopes of one day having a device like the Aerogen nebulizer inside homes to be used at the first sign of symptoms.
We'll be able to make an episode of infection with the coronavirus no worse than a bad cold.
The clinical trial will first go to patients at UCI, a hospital still dealing with overflow in this mobile intensive care unit. They caution it is one of many studies underway to treat the disease and make it less deadly.
a lot of the agents that we use now are still not magic bullets. We still need more agents to treat patients who are sicker. And the more of these agents that we can find to have a more beneficial effect on patients with COVID-19, the better.
Company officials say there was another clinical trial with this same drug using an IV on coronavirus patients. The results of that trial expected next week. At UC Irvine in Orange, I'm Vikki Vargas, NBC4 News.